In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter on a Salesforce dashboard. We'll walk through this process step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to customize your dashboards and quickly narrow down the data that matters most to you. First, log into your Salesforce account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, look for the navigation bar at the top of the screen. In that navigation bar, find and click on Dashboards. This will open a list of all the dashboards you have access to. Take a moment to scan through the list and select the dashboard where you want to add a filter. Click on the dashboard name to open it. With your chosen dashboard open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Edit button. Click Edit to enter the dashboard editor. This is where you can make changes to the layout, components, and in our case, filters. Inside the editor, find the option labeled Plus Filter. It's usually located near the top of the dashboard editor. Click on Plus Filter, and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll define exactly how you want your filter to work. In the pop-up, start by choosing the field you want to filter by. This might be something like account name, region, close date, or any other field that's relevant to the reports used in your dashboard. After selecting the field, you'll see an option to change the display name. The display name is what your users will see when they look at the filter. You can leave it as is, or rename it to something more user-friendly, like region filter or status filter. Next, click on Add Filter Value. Another smaller pop-up will appear. Here, you'll set the operator, such as equals, not equal to, greater than, or less than, depending on what kind of filter you need. Then type in the value you want to filter by, for example, a specific region or status. You can also adjust the display text for this value to make it clearer to users. When you're happy with it, click Apply in the filter value pop-up. If you want more than one filter value, simply repeat that same process. Add another filter value, choose the operator, set the value, adjust the display text, and apply. Add as many as you need. Once all your filter values are set, click. Add in the main filter pop-up to save the filter to your dashboard. Your filter is now in place and ready to use.